Hi, good afternoon. This is Om Namah Shiva. You are welcome to my channel Oil, Gas, Water Knowledge Hub. This presentation on piping inspection engineers, fieldwork instructions. It is made with lot of things which are most useful in the day-to-day field activities. This is covered B31.3 process piping and other codes also. Okay, my friend, let's go. Hope that it is useful. PWH, post-well retreatment. PWH to be carried out as per B31.3, class number 331, section 8, division 1, class number UW40, UC 56, table division 2, article 4, and BS 5594 heat treatment recommendations for welding, class number 4.4, table number 44111, and API 510C 7.2.3 heat treatment. Preheating as per 7.2.5.1 local PWHD, class number 132, table number 132 PWHD. Check whether BSR means before stress relieving ultrasonic testing, RT is accepted or not. Before carrying PWHD, you should ensure that BSR UT is completed or not. RT or UT, anything. Okay, then it is acceptable. Then only you can go for PWHD. Refer relevant specification prior to plan for PWHD. Heating band to be as specified below guidelines for as per specification. 2T plus weld width plus 2T is affected from area A. Heating band shall be 2T plus A plus 2T minimum. So this is the heating band. Thermocouples, K-type, NICR. Okay, be used as per specification. Joint number 2 and below, one thermocouple is permitted, provided single coil is used, with the range of 100 mm weld to weld distance. Joint size up to 6 inches, one thermocouple. Joint 6 inches and about 12, up to 12 inches, two thermocouples at 180 degrees Celsius, 180 degrees distance. Joint size 12 inches and above, three thermocouples at rate of 120 degrees each. Minimum 2 layers of insulation is required with minimum thickness of 50 mm as per relevant specification. Minimum insulation band shall be twice of heating band. Verification for post-heat electrical heating and PWH3 after fixing the heating coils and thermocouples with proper connections with the recorder. The arrangement shall be certified by the concerned quality engineer and signed on the graph as arrangement certified. Then the insulation shall be applied on the heating coil. Again, after attaining 300 degrees Celsius, heating graph shall be recertified by concerned quality engineer. This is required as per requirement shall be treated as mandatory for acceptance of post heat as well as PWH3 cycle accept for nitrogen punched digital recorder. For digital record, no need to sign, but it is a physical conditions manually you are doing, you should sign and before starting and end of the job. Interrupted PWH3. This is most important. Interruptions in such cases, if interruption occurs during the heating period cycle, can be continued. Okay. If interruption occurs during the heating period, any interruptions happen, then it can be continued. If interruption occurs during soaking period, then the soaking temperature shall be re-established at rate not greater than that specified in established WPS, and the soaking cycle shall be repeated. When you are ascending side, it is increasing temperature. That means heating. During heating time, you can continue. But during soaking time, you should repeat it. Simple. Is it clear? If interruption occurs during cooling period, whether controlled cooling is required as per the code, then the cycle to be repeated. So these are the conditions, interruption of PWHD. And records, you see, prior to starting the electrode here, electrical heating, the following information shall be handwritten and the recorder chart by the technician: date, ISO number, agency name, weld joint number, chart number. The chart shall be identified with 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. Okay. So first digit indicate unit number, numeric second, third digits alphabetic for the name of immediate contractor. Third and fourth digits indicate the name of subcontractor. And fourth digits indicates sequential number of the chart. IS 312 RCC HRS 001. Example, I am giving this. RCC is a contractor like this. It is an example. Record of the PWHD shall be maintained in the prescribed format as per owner's specification. Thermocouples tack weld with pipe shall be removed after PWHD. All closing butt welds shall be tested and examined by RT-UT and DPT-MPT as per owner's specifications. Owners in the sense, it may be company, it may be individual owner who is investing money to construction, for construction purpose. All tie-in socket welds shall be GTAW welded with minimum 2 NDT, root pass DPT, MPT and final pass DPT, MPT as per owner specification. Why I am specifying the owner specification? In some companies they are asking for root DPT. In fact, as per my experience, root DPT is not required because die bending test you cannot do above 50 degrees Celsius. So once the complete DPT root pass, you have to do DPT. And if you, for the sake of DPT, if you wait for that, temperature line is cooled down, come to normal temperature or below 50 degrees Celsius, then cracks will develop. So my suggestion, don't go for root DPT. Go for second pass, then wait for the cooling below 50 degrees Celsius, then carry out DPT, then go ahead for the further passes by raising the temperature by blower. All NDT for acceptance shall be carried out after any PWHD when applicable where NDT level is less than 100%. The welds for NDT shall be selected, cover the work of each welder. This includes progressive examination with ASAB with at 1.3 section 341.3.4. This is very clearly mentioned. So you have to refer this clause. Radiography testing. Reference documents. ASTM E3747 standard practice for design, manufacturing and material grouping of wire IQI used for RT. Image quality indicator IQI. Okay. ASME E 1025 standard practice for design, manufacturing and material grouping, classification of whole type IQA for IT. White type and whole type. There are two types of IQAs are there. Wherever UT is not possible, RT shall be carried out. Thank you very much, my friends. Your knowledge is your asset. Wish you happy, bright, wonderful career ahead. All the best. Please subscribe my channel. Share this knowledge. I worked in this field for 40 years. I love to pass on the information, whatever I remember in my mind, and I am preparing, collecting some information also.